Never walk into work with a bag that quietly ruins your whole look. That sounds dramatic, but think about it. You can wear a clean outfit, nice shoes, neat hair, and then you throw on a tired, messy bag and suddenly everything feels off. That's why the black tote bag for work is not just another bag. It's the bag that saves you every single day without you even thinking about it. If you go to work, run meetings, carry a laptop, or even just like looking organized, a black tote bag is one of those things you don't realize you need until you have a good one. Once you do, it's hard to go back. It becomes part of your routine, like your phone or your keys. You grab it, step out, and you already feel ready. The problem is that many women buy bags based only on how cute they look in the store. Small bags that barely fit anything, soft bags that lose shape after a few weeks, bright colors that look fun at first but don't match most work outfits. Then morning comes and you're struggling to fit your laptop, your notebook, your charger, maybe a water bottle, and suddenly the zipper won't close, or the bag looks stuffed and messy before you even leave the house. A black tote bag fixes that problem in the simplest way. Black matches everything. You don't have to stand in front of the mirror asking if your bag goes with your outfit. Black always goes. It works with formal office wear, casual work clothes, and even days when you're running errands after work. One bag, no stress. A good work tote is also about structure. When a bag keeps its shape, it makes you look more put together, even if you're tired, even if your day is long. A structured black tote doesn't slump or sag. It sits nicely on your shoulder or arm and gives off that quiet, confident look. Not flashy, not loud, just clean and strong. Inside the bag matters just as much as the outside. Workdays are long, and you carry more than you think. Laptop, tablet, documents, makeup pouch, wallet, keys, phone, charger, maybe even lunch. A proper black tote bag has space and sections, so you're not digging around every 5 minutes. You know where everything is. That alone can change your mood during the day. There's also something about black that feels serious in a good way. It says you mean business without saying a word. When you walk into a room with a black tote, it blends in but still looks sharp. People may not point it out, but they notice the overall effect. You look organized. You look prepared. You look like someone who knows what they're doing. Another reason black tote bags work so well for office life is that they age better than most colors. Light-colored bags show stains fast. Bright colors fade. Patterns go out of style. Black stays classic. Even after months of use, it still looks good if the material is decent. That makes it a smart choice, especially if you want one bag you can use every day without worry. Comfort is another big thing people forget. A work bag gets heavy. A good black tote has strong handles that don't dig into your shoulder. It sits well when you carry it. You don't feel like throwing it off halfway through the day. That matters more than people think, especially if you commute or walk a lot. What makes the black tote bag special is how quietly powerful it is. It doesn't beg for attention. It doesn't need extra details to stand out. It just works. On days when you don't feel like dressing up, it lifts your look. On days when you're already dressed well, it completes everything. It's also one of the few bags that works for different roles in your life. Office meetings in the morning, quick shopping after work, maybe dinner later. You don't need to change bags. You don't need to think twice. That kind of simplicity is underrated. Many women say they feel more confident when they carry a bag that feels reliable, not flimsy, not childish. A black tote bag gives that feeling. It's like having a small piece of control in a busy day. You know everything you need is in there, and it looks good doing it. At the end of the day, a black tote bag for work isn't about fashion trends. It's about ease. It's about showing up without stress. It's about looking polished without trying too hard. It's one of those simple choices that makes daily life smoother. One bag can really change how your workday feels, and for many women, that bag is a black tote. Subscribe for more women bag tips.